तो आज हम आपको बताएंगे कि कैसे आप एक सिंपल एआई एप्लीकेशन बना सकते हैं। दैट मीन लाइक ChatGPT या गूगल जेमिनी एआई जैसा एप्लीकेशन आप कैसे बना सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ पाइथन। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग योर टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Basically, this is the 3 basic steps you need to do this. First, you have to visit this website to generate your Google Gemini API key, and after that you have to run this command in your terminal so that it install Google generative AI into your system, and after that we will write the code. Okay, so I have my all these things so I'm directly going to write the code without wasting time. So first I am importing Google generative AI as a Gen AI. Google dot generative AI, it's suggesting me okay as Gen AI. Okay, now all done. Now Gen AI dot configure okay API key, which is this is my API key, so that I'm going to copy it and paste it over here. Okay, now I have to import model. So what is the model? Model is equal to Gen AI dot load model. No, I think we have a better approach. Generative AI, generative model, and this is our Gemini Pro. Gemini Pro, all okay. Yeah, all okay. So now all done. Now while this is true, we just have to iterate it. What prompt? What is the work of prompt? If you don't know, prompt is used to take an input from the user. Sorry, prompt is a variable which stores the input. Enter your prompt. Okay, now all done. All done. And if exit in prompt or quit in prompt, then break it. That means it throw us outside this loop if there will be an exit or quit in the prompt. Okay, now we have to generate response. So what will we do? Just response equal to model dot generate. Now here I think we should write generate content. Okay, and all done. We just need to print the response dot text. Okay, oh sorry. Oops. And all done. Now let's see, is it working fine or not? Okay, what happened? it didn't install Google Generative AI. Oh, is it working fine? Let's see. Yeah, that's all. It's working fine. Let's see. We can control C, okay, and CLS. Okay, now run it again. Let's see what will be the response. What? Okay, I'm going to ask something new. Which is better? ChatGPT or DeepSeek? Let's see its response. Okay, ChatGPT comparison. Okay, language-based AI training, DeepSeek multimodal, strength ChatGPT. Okay. Weakness ChatGPT application, ChatGPT DeepSeek overall. It focuses on natural language processing and dialogue generation, while DeepSeek was a broader range of capability. Okay, so for task requiring strong language skill, conversation, code generation, ChatGPT is a better choice. So this is not a correct response according to me. I have to know which is better actually. Not ChatGPT is the best choice for this and DeepSeek is a best choice for this. I don't want this type of answer. I just want direct answer. ChatGPT better or DeepSeek better. So overall, it is working fine. We can ask something new. Write code to print the sum of two numbers in C++. Okay, so let's see. Oh, actually, it is working fine. Absolutely, it is working fine. We can use different library to improve its UI. Basically, I'm not going to teach you how you can improve its UI. You can use Kinter as much as possible to improve its AI UI. Sorry, actually, this is AI model. So that's all. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.